How to change font size on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone, whether iPhone 12, iPhone 16, iPhone 11, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily change your font size or text size on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to change font size on your iPhone, is go ahead and open the settings app. Now once you open the settings app on your iPhone, I'll scroll down the page, then click on display and brightness. Under display and brightness, scroll down and click on text size. Now once you select the text size, adjust the text size using this slider. Then once adjusted, you can now hit the back button. Then you should see your text size or font size increased. You see that? So you can use this to increase the font size on your iPhone, and it's going to increase across your iPhone. This includes your app label as well as the setting spread. See that? So that is basically how to change font size on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.